Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others struggle, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 15 things many people think are wasteful, but actually make you richer. From smart investments to mindset shifts, these strategies can change your life. So stick around, grab a notebook, and let's get into it. 15 things poor people think are wasteful habits that actually make you rich. Success often stems from adopting the right mindset, and this includes understanding the value of certain investments that might seem wasteful at first glance. Let's explore 15 things that many poor people perceive as wasteful, but are crucial to building long-term wealth and personal growth. Number 1. Education and learning. Many believe that paying for courses, seminars, or higher education is unnecessary if it doesn't guarantee immediate financial returns. However, knowledge compounds over time. Learning new skills, whether through formal education or self-study, opens doors to higher-paying opportunities and broader perspectives. Investing in education is an investment in yourself, making you a more valuable asset in any industry. Number 2. Networking events. Conferences and networking events often have fees that some view as an unnecessary expense. Yet, these gatherings provide access to people with shared interests, mentors, or potential business partners. Building relationships in these spaces can lead to collaborations or opportunities you wouldn't have found otherwise, sometimes resulting in life-changing partnerships. Number 3. Professional services. Hiring an accountant, lawyer, or financial advisor can seem extravagant when money is tight. However, these professionals can save you significant time and money by ensuring proper tax filings, safeguarding your assets, and guiding you toward wise investments. Avoiding costly mistakes through expert advice often outweighs the upfront expense. Number 4. Healthy food choices. Processed or fast foods are cheaper, but they come at the expense of your health. Spending more on fresh, nutritious foods fuels your body and mind, enabling higher productivity. Over time, better health translates into fewer medical expenses and more energy to focus on wealth-building activities. Number 5. Gym memberships or physical activities. Many view gym memberships or paying for fitness classes as a necessary luxury. However, staying fit reduces stress, boosts confidence, and enhances productivity. Regular exercise has long-term benefits that directly impact your capacity to perform and succeed in any endeavor. Number 6. Books and reading materials. Books, audiobooks, and other reading materials are often dismissed as a non-essential expense. But they offer insights from experts, teach strategies for success, and provide inspiration. Many successful individuals credit their achievements to the knowledge gained from consistent reading. Number 7. High-quality tools and equipment. Whether it's a computer, software, or tools for a trade, cheap alternatives may save you money initially, but could hinder productivity or break down quickly. Investing in reliable, high-quality tools improves efficiency and allows you to deliver better results, leading to greater income. Number 8. Travel for exposure and learning. Traveling, especially for leisure or exploration, is often seen as indulgent. However, exposure to different cultures, ideas, and environments broadens your perspective, sparks creativity, and opens your mind to innovative ways of thinking. These experiences can inspire personal and professional growth. Number 9. Personal development programs. Courses, coaching, or workshops focused on mindset, leadership, or emotional intelligence may seem unnecessary. However, personal development enhances your ability to handle challenges, communicate effectively, and make sound decisions, all crucial traits for success. Number 10. Giving back and charity. Some see donating money or time as a drain on resources. Yet, generosity builds goodwill, strengthens your community, and often comes back in unexpected ways. Supporting others can lead to new connections, a sense of purpose, and even future opportunities. Number 11. Time off or vacations. Taking a break can appear wasteful when you're hustling to make ends meet. However, rest rejuvenates your mind and body, preventing burnout. Many successful people credit their creativity and problem-solving skills to time spent away from work. Number 12. Investing in appearance. Spending on professional attire, grooming, or personal branding may seem vain or unnecessary. However, first impressions matter. Looking and feeling your best boosts confidence and can open doors to better job opportunities or clients. Number 13. Paying for convenience. Outsourcing tasks like cleaning, meal prep, or administrative work may seem like an extravagance. However, freeing up your time allows you to focus on high-value activities like strategic planning or skill building, which can significantly impact your income. Number 14. Quality over quantity. Whether it's clothes, furniture, or gadgets, opting for quality items that last longer saves money in the long run. Cheap alternatives often need frequent replacement, ultimately costing more. Lastly, number 15. Investing in business ventures. Starting a business or investing in ventures carries risks and often involves significant upfront costs. This can deter those with a scarcity mindset. Yet, entrepreneurship and investments offer the potential for substantial financial returns, provided you're willing to take calculated risks. Adopting a mindset that values long-term benefits over immediate gratification is key to financial success. While some of these expenses may seem wasteful initially, they often pay off through improved skills, better opportunities, and a richer quality of life. Shift your perspective and see these investments as stepping stones to lasting wealth. And there you have it, 15 things that might seem wasteful at first, but can actually make you richer in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Filipina Landlord in America, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your favorite tip in the comments below, and let us know what you're working on to build your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.